Hi, Assalamualaikum. So, my name is Muhammad Muhazzib bin Muhammad Aizal. My meeting number is 01DDT22F2017. So, today I'm going to present how to do practical exercise 2 demonstrate. Alright, so firstly, we have the background scenario, required resources, and then, so basically, we go to the part 1 first. So boot the network and load device configuration. So first, cable the network as shown in the topology and based on the configuration. Second, configure the PC host based on the configuration. Load the device configuration on the notepad. So it have been given the physical and logical diagram as we can see here. Is a topology. Alright. So for my topology, we have like 3 router, 2 switch, 2 PC and 1 server, like you can see here. Alright, so this is the addressing table. It's been given. Alright. So this is the load configuration to device. Putrajaya, we have Johor, we have Perak, and then we have Mersing and Ipoh. Right, so for part 2, troubleshoot and solve problems on the network. Identify the problem using any troubleshoot method. Recognize the problem and record, screenshot, take note of the problem. So as you can see here, this is like the status of the problem. So we have recognized the problem here. So as you can see, JPKK to PO is failed, to PMJ is failed, and PMJ to Johor and PMJ to Perak is successfully. So after we recognize the problem here, we resolve the problem and record the commands, use the correct configuration. For Mersing, we have INT VLAN 10. We put the VLAN first in the Mersing, and then we put the interface F0/1 switch port mode trunk to active the trunk. And then in Ipoh, we put interface F0/11 and then switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 20. Right, so for part 3, verify the corrective on network. Display the configuration that has been done without using the command show running config for the devices. So as you can see here in Putrajaya, we have the IP that assigned to the interface. Example, interface G001, we have 10.126.44.1 and S010 74.9.44.263 and etc. Alright, so we have road for Putrajaya and gateway. And then for Putrajaya also, we have set the OSPF, and then this is the command to show the OSPF that we configure. And routing process OSPF 1 with ID 1.1.1.1 that already configured. So for Johor, we have ID 2.2.2.2, and this is the IP road and gateway. And for Perak, we have assigned the IP to the selected interface, right? And then OSPF with ID 3.3.3.3 for 3 and Perak, which is IP road. And then for part 4, configure and display the network configuration. So that's the topology. That these 5 like question we have already do it. Alright, and then for part 5, display the communication between device. So this is the output after we know the problem, we solve the problem. Alright, so we have all successful and all is done pink. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.